how we can solve this problem. Are you guys getting an error when you try to use Siri? It says Siri not available. You need to connect to Wi-Fi to download data for using Siri without an internet connection. If so, this video is for you. Now, without any further delay, let's just jump right into it. So first, what you'll have to do is open up your settings. Now, after you are on your settings, scroll down till you find Siri and Search. Now, after you find Siri and Search, open it up. Now, tap on Listen for Siri and make sure that you turn this off and turn it on to enable Siri again. And after you enable Siri, set her up again. And after you do that, what you'll have to do is maybe change the language. Now, if you're on English UK, just change it to English USA because it's English on both sides. And after you do that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to reboot your iPhone. Now, make sure that you restart your iPhone. And after you restart your iPhone, your Siri should be working just fine. But if that does not help you work your Siri, what you need to do is go to settings again. After you're on settings, go to general and scroll down. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and your iPhone will get reset to its default settings. Also, you can reset your network settings so that your network gets reset, because sometimes it might be the network issue that is not letting your Siri work properly. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed. And maybe what you can do is just go to general again and tap on software update and check if there is any software update available, because Siri might not be working properly due to some bugs which might get solved in the new software update. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you fix the problem, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button if you have not. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.